is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. We have Glenn and Cooper again, and we are in Las Vegas for the last night of the Duel in the Desert. Right now the car's out there warming up. We got done with the drivers meeting, and we're getting ready to go out mud pack. So we put on our mud packing tires, and yeah, letting the car warm up. So today could be it's going to be a really long night watching racing at a minimum, and it could be a long night racing too. We have last chance qualifiers, so unfortunately Glenn didn't get the opportunity to pull a number. So next year, all right. Because I you know what, I was feeling it. I feel like if you would have had to pull a number, it'd have been a single digit. I feel like it would have been. Yeah.
That's all Cooper.
Yep. So he'll be pulling a number next year if we come. So anyways, today's last chance qualifier. It's going to be based off of points accumulated during the last 2 days, which we did not get a whole lot because we were not very successful. So not in the very back, but close to the back. I think we're only one row up, and we're in the last LCQ. So got lots of work to do, and I believe they're taking 2. So starting 10th, and they're only taking 2. I think it's also only 7 laps. So we'll see how that goes. Fingers are crossed. We made some more adjustments on the car. We got our custom wheel weight taken out of the right front. That was crazy. That's bad, wasn't it? Mud covers. Wheels with mud covers. I think they're in my future.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a really big dirt clod, like right there in that pile. It's I think you guys saw it at the end of the last video. If not, go check it out. So anyways, letting the car warm up. We're gonna go out and mud pack and then get this road on the show. So yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty guys, did mud packing, that's all done. We just finished doing some tire prep and fueled up, and now we're just waiting for my LCQ to start. So I'm gonna throw you guys up in the car, and hopefully that goes well. gonna do it for the Duel in the Desert. I did not do well all weekend. I chasing being tight and never caught up. So oh well, is what it is. I do have a race car coming home in one piece. Looks a little different on this side. Got up over that cushion and we did some damage, but nothing that's not fixable, you know. Yeah, I just could not get the car to rotate the way I wanted it to rotate, or rather at all. I must have just been way too tight, way too planted. Is what it is. So, but like I said, car's coming home, gonna drive itself into the trailer under its own power. Can't complain about that. Really happy that I got to come down and run. Wish I'd have done better, but you know. And I want to thank Glenn and Cooper for coming down and helping me out. Appreciate you guys. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna move on to cleanup and get this thing ready to go, because we got to be out of here tonight, and then we're gonna go watch some racing. Bundle up and then go watch some racing, because it's cold. It's cold, very cold. So I gotta get to work. Gotta show you Cooper's little mud man he made. He did have a smile and another eye, but it fell off. Alrighty, car's loaded. We're walking away from the pits. Headed up to go watch some racing. Got my borrowed blanket. I don't think the main events have started yet, but 100 lapper for stock cars, 40 lapper, 40 laps for the late models, right? 50. Oh, 50 for the late models, 40 for the modifieds. Yeah. 25. Apparently, I don't know what I'm talking about, but we're gonna head up and watch some races. All right, we came up to the high seats. What do we do? Late model beef feature. Got me some asada fries and a corn dog. And I don't think I've been more excited all day. Time to watch some races. Guys, I thought I was gonna be able to add clips of the other races, the A mains, but it is currently 12:45 and they still got to run the sport mods, A mods, and the 100 lap stock car race. And oh man, I gotta get up and start the drive home tomorrow. So we all kind of tapped out, and we'll watch those races tomorrow or the next day on the XR Plus, because they have the playback, so we'll get to go back and watch those races. But man, we've been waiting for a while. They're doing track prep, so they're trying to give those guys a good race surface after the super late models used up pretty much all of the surface. So that's what they've been doing, is a lot of track prep. So hopefully they have a good race. Oh, but for me it is nappy nap time. So kind of a rough trip. Didn't really do very well at any point in time. on any of these days. But hey, we loaded up a race car. It was only a little bit tore up, and that was tore up because of muds, and that's just body stuff. But yeah, not like super disappointed or anything. That's racing, and maybe I'll come back and try it again some other time. But had fun. You know, a bad day of racing is better than any good day at work, right? That's what they say. So yeah, I'm gonna drive back to the hotel and get some sleep for the drive home. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Don't forget to hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. Reach out to me there if you want some t-shirts. And my brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we'll catch you next video. Thanks for watching.